Hello
Hello everyone.
everyone. Today we both want to review hair dryer. The product so this product can be used by all people and we will recommend store to buy this product.
And in the final video, we will recommend that store to buy this product. The hairdryer we review today is a brand is YILIN. This product is from to China. It's model for 115 V is a model of foldable hairdryer.
We've been using it for a while now. I need love to share my honest opinion about it. First of all, the design is very sleek, uh, like white. It's easy to hold and doesn't make your arm tired even after long hours. The build quality feels strong and durable.
One of the best featuring is a different heat and speed setting. It has a three level, cool, warm, and hot, and two speed option. This give you a great control depending on your hair type and styling you need.
It also has a cool reset button which helps you set your hairstyle in place. I find it's a very useful after drying my hair.
Another thing I like is how fast is to dry my hair thanks to powerful electric. This is a very hard. It only take a few minutes. Plus, it does make too much noise, which is a big bonus. Which is it's a very this product is a packaging is yeah it's a very to it's a very to use to
The hair dryer also comes with adjustment like concentrator and diffuser, perfect for straightening or adding volume to curly hair.
and in question and high and recommendation this hair dryer is a very powerful. Then open this packaging. That's a product. Look at that. This product is yeah. It's a very to s- spend to your place in your bag. It's a very too easy to use and to just to come to this everywhere and you can to save in your bag and it's a very to use to it's the fair everywhere and the recommendation is if is a very offer and group value and the price is not expensive. This is very cheap and high quality.
So we have this customer this help you decided if this hair dryer is right for you. So we highly uh, recommend this product to customer whose hair is frizzy.
This product is in the advertisement in marketplace and to come to home is the very same product and specification and the quality and to and catalog product and information is very detailed and is very complete and real. And the store where we buy a dryer product is MAT ID store is a store and we recommend it with a friendly service and also a varied and a variation a selection of product and of course a cheap but a good quality of course and you can buy in specific in Shopee, and this picture and this product, and you can buy and store in MTA ID store only in the Shopee.
So guys, that's all the product review videos from us. Don't forget to buy to products we review. Thank you.
and don't forget to uh, reading and check this product or and another store for uh, you can get best price for this product, because this product is a very uh, yeah, it's a very useless, it's a very to yeah, easy for to use. And see you the next video. Bye bye.